Hello dear friend, in DaVinci Resolve 20 update, there is a new feature. This is the actually voiceover features just inside edit page and cut page, dear friend. Before this update, we used to shift to Fairlight page for voiceovers and we had a lots of setting etc here. But after this update, this process has been simplified and we can very easily voiceover in edit page and cut page without any complicated settings, and it's a very handy features there. And this feature is available in DaVinci Resolve free version and studio version. If you use DaVinci Resolve free version, it's a good for you. You can use these features. I use these features when I have some mistakes in our tutorial class. I have to add something. I just use this voiceover features in edit page now after the DaVinci Resolve update. Don't miss any parts of the video, dear friend. All parts are very important. Follow all the parts of this video, and after this class you will be very efficiently using voiceover features in the DaVinci Resolve in cut page and edit page. Don't forget to subscribe the channels. Without wasting time, let's jump into voiceover features of the DaVinci Resolve 20 here. Edit page, you can know voiceover here. Just click here. This Windows has opened here. Before this update, we used to use this voiceover features only in Fairlight. We had lots of settings here and we had to go through lots of settings and we recorded voiceover here. But after this update, we can just record voiceover inside edit page. Let's see how it works. So come here and click here this icon once again, and you see record voiceovers had appeared here, and we can choose our input, audio input. So we take this microphones which I have now, through which I am speaking, microphones Yeti Studio, and we can record. Click okay. We have selected. You can select from audio here. So I have audio channel 2, and we will select from here audio 2, audio channel 2. Okay, we can start recording, and before recording you can make here, you see input monitoring etc. You can check here. Hello, you see input monitoring. We don't need input monitoring, and we need actually this enable 3 seconds countdown. You can start mute timeline audio while recording. Directly you can mute timeline audio while recording from here. Okay, we come here, hide option. You can hide option from here. You see we have no option here, but we need this option. Okay, and here you see 3-second countdown. You can start when recording. Hello dear friend, if this video is helpful to you, adds value to your life, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Your one subscription gives me lots of motivations to make more creative tutorial for you, dear friends. Nowadays I am working hard, but my channel is not growing due to the algorithm of YouTube, dear friend. But you can make it possible just by liking, subscribing, writing a comment. You can write a comment which type of tutorial about DaVinci Resolve 20 you want, dear friend. You can share this channel and this DaVinci Resolve 20 tutorial to those friends who are actually in the need of such type of tutorial. This tutorial may help them a lot. You can spread this video to the wider audience on YouTube, dear friend, and only you can make it possible. Favor me, dear friend, subscribe the channels. Okay, we have added 3-second countdown. You can write here file name, for example voiceover. Okay, everything is okay. We have selected the mic here, and this is our audio track 2. Okay, and we will start. Just hello dear, we have countdown here. Okay, now we can record. Hello dear friend, we are just recording inside the DaVinci Resolve edit page here. You can check the quality etc here, dear friend. We can record. Hello dear friend, we are just recording inside the DaVinci Resolve edit page here. You can check the quality etc here, dear friend. So you can see we have just recorded here. It's the really a good feature. So you can record inside edit page and you can add to your clip. For example, I have this tutorial video I am editing here. I will just add anywhere direct to our audio. And if you have bad audio while editing, you want to just record your audio, you can directly record and add here. I have sometimes mistakes while I speak in my tutorial video. Third feature is also related to this voiceover feature. Now this feature is also available on our cut page. Now just come here, you see here cut page, click here, come here for this, you see here. Actually this is a voiceover features. Once you click here, all the settings will appear here. Here in cut page, it's a little bit different from edit page here. We are in edit page here. We have voiceover here, you see. In cut page, You can see here, you will select the mic etc. Here you see input mic. We have, I will just take this our Yeti studio microphone. Okay, we have selected microphone here, and record voiceover, record track. You can add from track here. So you see here voiceover settings here, audio we have selected here, record we have taken track 2. Okay, and monitoring you can take from here. We don't click monitoring. If you click, it will echo your sound. Okay, we don't need, we just unclick from here. You see, I have unclick here. You can select the voice over recording file location. You can take anywhere, you can in F drive, D drive, but we have here in timeline. Okay, cancel in default, everything is okay. And countdown, you can take 5-second countdown from here. We just take this 3-second countdown here, and just we start record. So you see, countdown has started in cut page now. Now record. Hello dear friend, we are recording in cut page in DaVinci Resolve 20 here. Just see the quality and stop from here. So you can check now. Now record. Hello dear friend, we are recording in cut page in DaVinci Resolve 20 here. Just see the quality. So okay, in this way, this voiceover features works in cut page and edit page. Try dear friends, it's really a good handy feature. Write me in the comment box, dear friends, how do you apply these new features to your clips? Which features you like most? Which features you think good for DaVinci Resolve? Which type of features you want to get inside DaVinci Resolve added, dear friends? You can write in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So we meet in the next class with new tutorials about DaVinci Resolve. Take care, bye.